Hey creators, welcome back to the channel Tech More. If you're looking for the ultimate video recording and editing tool that can do it all, whether it's capturing your screen, recording audio, creating tutorials, or even using a virtual avatar for your videos, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into Wondershare Democreator, an all-in-one solution that combines screen recording, video editing, audio mixing, and more. By the end of this video, you'll see why this software is a game changer for both beginners and experienced creators alike. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Wondershare Democreator? In a nutshell, it's a versatile software that allows you to capture everything you need for high-quality video production, all in one platform. Whether you're making instructional videos, recording gameplay, presenting webinars, or creating online tutorials, DemoCreator simplifies the entire process, from recording to editing. Imagine having the power to record your screen, capture your webcam footage, mix audio, and edit your video content without the need for multiple complex programs. DemoCreator combines it all into one smooth, intuitive package. You can capture footage, record sound, and seamlessly jump into the editing phase, all within the same workspace. Let's start with one of the most essential features of DemoCreator, screen recording. This is where the magic begins. Whether you're creating tutorials, walkthroughs, or even gameplay videos, the screen recording tool in DemoCreator is built to handle it all. First off, the software allows you to record your full screen, a selected window, or a custom area, perfect for tutorials where you only need to focus on a specific part of the screen. You can adjust the frame rate and resolution to ensure that your recordings come out crisp and clear. DemoCreator supports up to 60 frames per second, so you're always getting smooth, high-quality footage. Plus, if you want to capture high-level details or even record animations, DemoCreator's high-quality screen recording settings make sure nothing gets lost. You can also choose to record the mouse movements, add keystrokes, or highlight your clicks, perfect for tutorials or software demos. Next up, let's talk about the webcam recording feature. DemoCreator allows you to capture both your screen and your webcam simultaneously, which is a huge advantage for content creators who want to add a personal touch to their videos. Whether you're presenting, recording yourself for an online course, or giving a reaction video, you can position your webcam feed anywhere on the screen, resize it, and even adjust the opacity. This is perfect for adding that personal connection with your audience, making your videos more engaging and interactive. And don't worry about quality. DemoCreator supports HD webcam recording, so you'll look great on camera every time. Now, let's move on to one of the most important aspects of video production: audio. DemoCreator lets you record audio directly within the software, or you can import audio files from external sources. This is perfect if you need to record voiceovers, add commentary to your gameplay, or narrate your tutorials. But it doesn't stop at just recording audio. DemoCreator also comes with a set of audio editing tools that allow you to fine-tune your sound. You can adjust the volume, remove background noise, and even apply audio effects like echo or fade-in, fade-out. Plus, the real-time preview feature ensures you can hear every change you make instantly. If you want your audio to be as professional as your video, DemoCreator has you covered. Clean, clear, and perfect for every kind of recording. Here's where things get really interesting: the virtual avatar feature. DemoCreator has taken video creation to the next level by integrating customizable avatars that can mimic your movements and expressions. Perfect for creators who want to add some personality to their videos, these virtual avatars are highly interactive. Simply choose an avatar that fits your style, and it can track your facial movements through your webcam. Yes, it's that cool. Whether you're presenting a tutorial, doing commentary, or just having fun with your audience, using an avatar can make your content stand out and feel much more engaging. You can also customize your avatar's appearance, choose different outfits, and even animate them for more dynamic interactions. This is a fantastic feature if you're looking to add some fun and creativity to your videos without being on camera yourself. Now, let's talk about the editing tools. After you've captured your footage, DemoCreator has a powerful built-in editor to help you polish your video. With DemoCreator, you can trim clips, cut out unwanted sections, merge multiple videos, and adjust the speed of your clips, all with a few simple clicks. The drag and drop timeline editor makes it super easy to arrange your footage and add transitions. Plus, you can zoom in on specific parts of your video and use annotation tools to highlight key areas. For those who like to get creative, there are built-in effects, filters, and animations that you can add to your videos, making them look even more professional. You can even add callouts, text overlays, and shapes to emphasize important points, which is great for tutorial and educational videos. And if you need to work with green screen footage, DemoCreator has a built-in chroma key feature, allowing you to easily remove backgrounds and replace them with something more interesting. Once you've finished editing your video, DemoCreator makes it super easy to export and share. You can export your video in multiple formats, including MP4, MOV, and AVI. If you're creating content for specific platforms, there are even presets for social media sites like YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook. And if you want to upload your video directly, DemoCreator has a simple export to YouTube feature, so you don't have to leave the software to share your work. So there you have it. Wondershare Democreator is the all-in-one video creation tool that has everything you need to capture, edit, and share your content like a pro. Whether you're a YouTuber, teacher, gamer, or business professional, DemoCreator provides the features and flexibility to make your videos stand out. From screen recording and webcam capturing to advanced editing tools and fun virtual avatars, this software truly has it all. Thanks for watching.